In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find stocks on eToro. To get started, the first thing you need to do is sign in to your eToro account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to the main platform interface, where you can access the different tools and markets available. Make sure you're on the main dashboard before moving on, so it's easier to follow the next steps. After that, look at the top of the screen for the search bar. This is the quickest and easiest way to find a specific stock on eToro. Go ahead and click into the search bar so you can begin typing. If you already know the company you want to look up, this part will be very straightforward. Now, enter either the stock's company name or its ticker symbol. For example, you could type AAPL, AMZN, or TSLA. Using the ticker symbol is often the fastest option if you know it, but entering the company name works just as well. As you type, eToro will begin showing possible matches related to your search. Next, take a moment to review the search results that appear. eToro may show several matching assets, especially if a company name is similar to something else on the platform. This is why it's important to read the results carefully and make sure you're selecting the correct stock. Pay attention to the company name and ticker symbol so you know you're clicking on the right listing. Once you've found the stock you want, click on it to open its dedicated page. This is where you can get a closer look at that stock and learn more before making any decisions. Opening the stock page gives you access to its main details in one place. On the stock page, you'll be able to review important information such as the current price, the chart, and general market data. This gives you a quick snapshot of how the stock is performing. If you're comparing stocks, this section can be especially helpful because it lets you see key information at a glance. You can also explore more details by using the tabs available on the page, including Overview, Chart, Analysis, News, and Financials. Each tab gives you a different type of information. The Overview section helps with a general summary. The chart lets you look at price movement. Analysis can provide deeper insights. News helps you stay updated on recent developments, and Financials gives you more background on the company's performance. That's how to find stocks on eToro. Thanks for watching.